right, let's create our first post. And we're going to keep it real simple. So you're going to be working straight from your dashboard, and we're in the publish um, module. So here is where you'll see different types of ways that you can publish. We're going to keep it real simple we're going to create a message, add an image, add a category, and place a watermark on there. And then we're going to simply publish it directly to our social media account. So the first thing is, what is it that you want to actually post? Using our card deck, I pulled the entertainment card for Daily Holiday. It happens to be National Sunday Supper Day. So that's what we're going to post to our audience and ask them to share a recipe. All right. So the first thing I like to do is get inspired with an image. So you can simply come here to our search image, click on it, type in your search. We're going to do family supper. Oops. And your asset library is going to come up. We actually partner with two libraries, stock libraries. These are all stock free, and that's Pexel and Pixabay. So here you'll see your options, and you can jumble between the two. So if I had typed in the rest of it, supper, but I'm going to use this picture right here. So let's select it. That's inspiring. Sitting and making supper with the family is part of the process, right? So we have us a picture. You'll also notice as you already see by default that your logo, remember that you uploaded earlier when you set up your account, automatically is placed here. Now, what you have the option to do is you can hover over the picture here, and you can position that watermark to be wherever you'd like it to go. I'm going to pop it up here just for the sake of today. All right, so there's our logo. You go with what's appropriate with your brand standards. Now, remember I mentioned that this happened to be coming as an entertainment type of a post for your audience. So you can tag that as such. Here's E5 for entertain your audience. So we're going to categorize that, and that's going to be a way for you to filter and check your posts later down the line. And again, you have the ability to, for your watermarking, that you can truly just use your regular logo, or you can even soften it up a little bit, and you'll notice what happens when you soften it up. Oh, it lost it, and then come back up here, and you can use it as dark as you like. All right, now let's put some copy in here. So you can write your copy, and we're going to use some text from a source. Give us a second right here. And now let's type in some text. So National Supper Day, it's observed annually. So I'm going to copy and paste that in. And now I can actually put in a couple of hashtags. So we're going to say here, like, share a family recipe. And then here we'll do hashtag family recipe. And then National Sunday Supper Day. All right, so those are our two simple hashtags. And we now have a post. So you'll notice as I was typing that the information automatically populates alongside each of the different social platforms that are there. So this is what it's going to look like as a preview on Twitter. And it will give you, if there is a character restriction, we keep track of that for you right here so you can see how that will work. Now, once you're done, simply with your text, your picture, and your category, you've done your watermark. Now you can choose, where do you want to post? We're going to hit post right now. And then we're good to go. And now that that post is going to go and be go straight to your site, and you're going to get a little verification report. And it just verifies that it got published and where it went. It's live, and then you can even go to that and see how it looks on your social post. And it's just that simple. See you in the next video.